Siddharth, $500 billion invested over the last 3 months in a lot of US companies that are leading this artificial intelligence charge. And look at the NASDAQ, look at the S&P 500, look at our own universe, tons and tons of money is being made. How much of this is hype, hoopla, and bubble?
I think the mantra amongst most of the investors is that the intelligence may be artificial, but the returns really have to be real for that matter. So I think that's something that's been a guiding force. And it is truly astounding to see one nascent industry become so large. 40% of the US GDP growth over the last year happened because of AI-related infrastructure, energy, etc. The AI cohort in terms of private credit in the US, in terms of credit in the US, has actually overtaken the amount of credit taken by banks. This includes your AI companies, your tech companies, the manufacturers who are actually the energy companies and all of them as well. For that matter, there is an astoundingly large amount of money that's actually been chasing these assets as of now because of uncertainty. I think what's become evident is that, especially now that even though we're not in a zero interest rate environment, it's almost become similar to that as of now. People have realized that capital is actually a moat. And they realize, especially when it comes to LLMs for that matter, because of the brute force computation that it employs, the larger the number of GPUs you end up actually having, the stronger your training ends up actually becoming, the more value you can end up actually creating out of that. I think the biggest disruption, so that is the current thinking as of now, but the edge case that's coming up as of now, the two disruptive factors not going to be people realizing AI is not going to translate to actual gains. It will, for that matter. The true disruption going to happen is people to actually reduce the cost of compute. If you look at the gross margins of any of these companies as of now, they're actually negative. It costs ChatGPT more money to end up actually running a single query than it can ever end up actually making during a year's subscription. Those are actually wild numbers, and ChatGPT can charge up to $20,000. People end up actually paying it. That is the intensity of compute that's actually there. So for AI to actually translate, I think the trends are not going to be more GPUs, larger LLMs, more trillion parameters to end up coming. It'll end up being smaller models that can end up actually being run on the edge, that can end up computing, being specific to a particular task, and do that well. Right about now, AI is the jack of all trades, the master of some. What you actually require is someone who actually has niche application that can be built. And it's not going to be the LLMs that will actually make the most amount of money. Similar to the internet era, the guy who laid the most amount of fiber optic cable actually died. It's the people who actually built upon that. And we've not yet reached a stage where these actual builders have come to the forefront as of now. It's monopolized by compute. The moment we actually start moving to applications, that's where I think India can end up shining. That's where a lot more money will end up being made as well.
Okay.